Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make bubbles using Gumamela. Gather fresh Gumamela petals and clean water, then gently mash petals to release sap and natural surfactants. Strain the liquid to remove solids and mix with water in a shallow dish. Test a small amount first and adjust concentration for stronger bubbles, avoiding harsh agitation. Handle petals gently to keep solution. Collect materials before you begin and keep children supervised. Use about 1 cup of clean water and a generous handful of Gumamela petals for a single batch. A soft spoon and fine strainer help separate sap from petals without adding debris. If you want longer-lasting bubbles, gently stir in a teaspoon of glycerin or a pinch of sugar, but test gradually to avoid over-thickening the mixture. Begin by tearing or lightly mashing petals in the cup of water until the liquid takes on color and scent. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 20 minutes so natural surfactants release, then strain well into a clean dish. Dip a simple wand or loop and blow gently to test bubble quality, adjusting with extra water for thinner bubbles or a little glycerin for stronger films as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.